In a sunlit dorm room, Poffy, rolling onto a laptop screen showing a website built in Notion and Notion AI. Poffy explains how students and professionals use this space for notes, planning, and productivity. Poffy nudges a checklist. Organized lecture notes, quick summaries, and AI-generated study questions. The details in easy workflow. Capture ideas, tag topics, schedule study sessions with Notion templates and Notion AI suggestions, smoothing tasks. Visuals shift to a weekly planner where Poffy pins priorities and timers appear, illustrating focus and momentum. The Poffy invites viewers to save this reel and share with classmates, emphasizing practical tips. Start small, reuse templates, and automate repetitive steps. A soft reminder appears. Organize your life with AI. The narrator closes by highlighting balance. Tools boost efficiency, not replace rest, while Poffy gives a little happy spin, symbolizing calm control and confidence for students and professionals aiming to do more with less. Try it today and feel the effortless clarity now.